Climate change, marine pollution, invasive species, habitat destruction, and overfishing are all major threats to the country's coastal environment.
Well, for the 12th year, the Coastal Awareness Committee is celebrating Coastal Awareness Month this year under the theme Climate Change, an Ever-Changing Reality.
Chairman of the National Coastal Awareness Committee, Earlston McPhee, says they can have damaging effects if not addressed, and the committee is continuing with its mandate to educate the Bahamian populace about the importance of preserving our coastal resources.
Well, the Bahamas says most particularly be concerned about climate change, as the United Nations report identified the country as one of those that will be adversely impacted by rising sea levels.
The whole thing is really to educate people about what are the threats to our coastal environment and what can we as Bahamians do to mitigate those threats. Because as our motto say, if not us, who? If not now, when? We have to do it. And we have to be accountable to our children in terms of what we have done during our lifetime with the resources we have. And of course, if our sea are getting warmer, which will eventually kill our coral reefs. If our coral reefs die, our food chain in terms of fishery products will be affected.
Mr. McPhee says the committee is undertaking several initiatives to create awareness locally. The committee has worked with policymakers to push legislation and has also targeted young people through essay competitions. With the help of several companies, the committee has made it possible for children from the urban areas to experience the marine environment. More than 10,000 children have benefited from those partnerships.
I've said this before, and I want to continue to say this because I truly believe it. The two greatest resources we have is firstly our people and the environment. And we must manage and we must put resources into development and the protection of these two resources. So this is very important that we recognize the important role that the environment plays for the social and economic development of this nation. And we need to really take care of the environment as much as we possibly can.